Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our morning time, drive time update. We got lots to talk about. We got talk about crypto and the EU ban and the status of that, guys. It looks like we could also see that Ethereum is going to explode, and some people are saying that the Ethereum market cap could absolutely flip Bitcoin in 2022. We got a ton of news. We got the Dogecoin news. We got a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of catalysts, and it looks like the markets are pretty green in the house. So I am pretty excited about today. And it looks like still overall crypto is just going range bound between 38,000 and 42,000. When are we going to have the next leg up to the next level? And that will take us up to $45,000 and $55,000. It's absolutely coming. It's absolutely coming. And one thing you guys have to notice out there is that we have not seen that Bitcoin and the whole crypto market's not been going like this. It's just been going like this. So range boundness or consolidation is very good news in the house. So right now at the time of recording, remember, none of this is financial advice. None of this can be taken or construed as financial advice. This is only for education purposes in the house, guys. So it is absolutely a great time to be alive. So I'm so happy to be here. Things are looking up, guys. Things are absolutely looking up. We're seeing Bitcoin right now is at $38,966. So that is not too bad. We're still struggling. We're still absolutely struggling to get past $40,000. We see huge resistance at $40,000, and we absolutely need to get past that, and we will get past that. And yesterday we saw this huge, almost a 3% dump yesterday, and a lot of that dumpage was because of the EU was planning to vote on banning crypto and banning proof of work, and that would also include our beloved Woji in there. So Dogecoin to the moon, guys, absolutely Dogecoin to the moon. And if we look at Ethereum right now, Ethereum is up about 1.1%. It's at about $2,500. We're seeing overall most of the altcoins right now are in the green. We're seeing that BNB is also up about 1.25%. So that is pretty peachy keen in the house, guys. So hopefully you're loving it. And Luna is on fire again. Luna is at $93 and it's up 5.35%. And we have a lot of capital just flowing and flowing. Luna's market cap increased almost about $3 billion in the last 48 hours. So that is cool. Luna is one of the top layer one solutions out there. We also got Solana is at $80. This $80 support level is holding firm like the China wall, guys. It is so strong. It is absolutely amazing in the house. So that is good news. I love it. You love it. So our beloved Doge right now is at 11 cents, 11,298.3 to be exact, and it's slightly up 1%. So that is not looking too bad. And then, Doge has been creating this whole descending triangle all the way since May. It's about 300 days of a descending triangle. It is getting bored. It is getting tired. And we really need the Doge to start to break up to the upside, guys. And we have so much catalyst, so much beauty out there for Dogecoin. We got the Doge 1 to the moon. We got the Doge X mission. And also, too, we had yesterday Elon Musk tweeted that he's not selling his Bitcoin. He's not selling his Ethereum. He's not selling his Doge or Wosher. And it was also quite interesting because we all know that Elon Musk was holding Bitcoin and Doge. We all knew that. But Ethereum, he did come out and say Ethereum. And he is of the liking and ilking that Ethereum is going to explode. And I think that Ethereum is priming itself to explode and go to the moon, guys. And that is absolutely truth. Power to truth, truth to power, guys. I love it. You love it. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes. Do you think that Ethereum is going to flip Bitcoin? Do you think that we could see a $6,000 or $7,000 Ethereum coming in 2022? Tell me what you think. And is the OG just crazy, or what is going on? I believe it's going to happen, guys. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. So you love it. I love it. Let's get it, guys. So yesterday we saw the pre-markets were down. We saw that the S&P was down about almost 1%. The NASDAQ was down almost 2%. And we see that the Dow Jones was slightly up, was almost up about 1%. So if we look at the pre-markets right now the pre-markets are up. And don't forget, we got Jeremy Powell and the FOMC meeting taking place Thursday, and they're going to tell us what the rate hike is going to be. Already baked in is 0.25%. That is baked in, guys. So right now the pre-markets are up, the Nasdaq's up, the S&P is up, and the Dow Jones is up. It's up slightly, like 0.25% across the board, as you can see. So this is not indicative of where crypto is going to go, but we're seeing that, you know, right now there's a bit more of a decoupling of crypto and the broader market. So that is cool beans in the house. And we're seeing right now that, you know, we had Jeremy Powell, we had the FOMC meeting, as I said. That is, we should get the results of that about 2 p.m. Eastern Central Time. So everything that we can expect from the Federal Reserve in this meeting this week, and we should see absolutely that the Federal Reserve in the House, you know, they're going to meet, they're going to talk about the rate hikes, they're going to tell us about, you know, the unwinding massive inflation, because everybody's inflation is on everybody's brain right now. Gas is higher, bread is higher, everything is going up, inflation to the moon. So Ethereum could be, once Ethereum 2.0 comes out and it goes from proof of work to proof of stake, it could be a huge inflation killer, just like Bitcoin. So if you guys want to hedge against inflation, this is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency is the place to be, guys, because if you put your money in the bank, you're not getting any interest out there. But we see that even if you stake your crypto, you're going to have at least making some APY and hedging against inflation, particularly for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going to go uppity up, guys. So that is cool beans in the house. So likely, I believe that we're going to get about a 0.25 basis points. Let's hope it's not higher than that, because if it is, it is absolutely going to, you know, crush the markets, and that is, you know, what I think. So this tweet is coming in right now from Lito in the house, and what he's saying is that Ethereum will undergo a 90% cut of daily admissions from 1,200 ETH a day to 1,280 ETH a day, and that is going to happen once we convert to proof of stake, guys. And yearly inflation will go down from 4.3 right now, and that's the yearly inflation for Ethereum, and will go down to 0.43, equivalent to 3 halvings at once. So meanwhile, rewards for proof of stake validators will go up from 4.5 to 10% in the months after the merge. So we got this huge merge, we've got the testnet happening, and once the merge goes live, that will take us closer and closer to the Ethereum 2.0. So that is cool news, guys. So some other tweets that are coming in right now. Bitcoin archive. This is breaking news, guys. EU, get your words right. EU Parliament just voted against proof of work ban, guys. So it looks like that the EU is not going to ban proof of work after all. So they were just blowing a lot of smoke up our butts, guys. So that is good for the whole crypto space, and that's one of the reasons we're seeing things going in the green overall in the crypto space, guys. So also, this coming in, tweet from Bitcoin Archive. I love Bitcoin Archive. Always lots of juicy information. 54,000 Bitcoin taken off exchanges in just 9 days, guys. That's amazing, guys. Can you believe that? And that just goes to show that the illiquid supply of Bitcoin is increasing. More and more people are taking Bitcoin off exchanges and hodling it and waiting for life-changing wealth, guys. Tell me, guys, how many of you are holding your Bitcoin and don't plan to sell it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you got to say about that. I would love to hear what you got to say about that. It's a great time to be alive. This is from Matthew Hayward in the house. Pretty simple here on the shorter time frame for Bitcoin to break out. We need Bitcoin to get above 40,300, and if we can do that, then Bitcoin is going to see a 43,000 breakout, and that will be the beginning of our next leg up to the next horizontal support between $45,000 and $55,000, and we need to get up there, guys. We absolutely need to get up there. It is absolutely woo. So let's jump into the news segment of this video, guys. Looks like we got Skybridge Capital founder. Bitcoin will be legal tender in many Latin countries. So, you know, Skybridge, he's saying basically we're going to see a lot of countries in Latin America start to be accepting Bitcoin as legal tender. We have El Salvador. The Bukalelian House is the first to do that. And we've got rumors that Mexico could be next, guys. So that is cool beans in the house. Absolutely cool beans in the house. So the next piece of news that's coming in is we see that Ethereum whales splash millions on Shiba Inu. Do they know something you don't? So we see that more and more Ethereum whales are picking up the Shiba Inu like crazy, like never before. Do they know something? Is Shiba Inu going to break out to the moon? We're going to, you know, I don't know, guys. Tell me, do you think Shiba Inu is going to go down, down, or it's going to go up from here, guys? So we can see that one Ethereum whale right now bought 49 billion SHIB worth $1 million, guys. OMG, that is amazing news in the house. Some other news that's coming in right now is also we got Bitmain just launches a new energy efficient bit mining machine, and this is going to be a water cooled machine, and it's running about 255 terahashes. But the amount of energy it's using about 5.30 watts according to Bitmain. So this is kind of a new machine that they're trying to roll out to kind of fight Jack Dorsey and Intel's new machine that's coming out. So Bitmain has always been the absolute leading ASIC mining machine out there. I mean, I used to use Bitmain when I was mining, and that's how I got started in crypto, guys. So that is a huge development, that you can have hydro-cooled ASIC miners, guys. I mean, one fun fact, when I was Bitcoin mining, what I used to do is I would put my miners in mineral oil. Remember, mineral oil is non-conductive and it acts as a huge coolant. So you're seeing that a lot of companies that use a very hot networking equipment, they actually cool their networking equipment by dropping it in a bathtub of mineral oil, because mineral oil is not conductive. And then you can have a recirculation pump going through like a radiator. So my setup was I had ASIC miners in a huge bath of mineral oil, and then I had a motorbike radiator, and it would circulate and it would reduce the heat. And once you're reducing the heat, they become more efficient, and you can actually increase your hash rate. So that's just a little fun fact, guys. Absolutely a fun fact. Absolutely a fun fact. Will Ethereum flip BTC in 2022? Crypto analyst Nicholas Merton updates ETH forecast, and he believes that we could be seeing that Ethereum could absolutely be flipping Bitcoin in 2022. And right now, because right now you guys know that Bitcoin absolutely does nothing. It's just a store of value. But Ethereum is the paved word. It's a network where you can build dApps and apps on top of it. So Bitcoin has no utility. So that is cool news in the house. And what he's really saying is that we could see over time that Ethereum could be flipping Bitcoin, and we could be seeing at least a 6,181 Ethereum coming in later this year. But definitely we could be seeing that Ethereum could get closer and closer to flipping BTC, and I believe that Ethereum is going to be exploding to the moon. And remember, diversification is absolutely key, absolutely vital out there. Don't have all your eggs in one basket. It's absolutely not a good thing to do. You need to diversify. And my diversification, I have like 50% in Bitcoin. I have the other 35-40% in altcoins, Ethereum, layer ones, Dogecoin, and then I have about 10% in my moon bags. These are just high risk coins that I will just speculate, and if I lose that 10%, I don't care. So remember, you've got to do that diversification. Remember, dollar cost averaging, hodl, and always take your profits, guys. This is so important, guys. So that brings this to a close. Don't forget to smash the likes, follow the OG, guys. And what do you think? Do you think Ethereum is going to explode in 2022? Do you think Ethereum is going to flip BTC, guys? Let's get it right now. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Check out all the linky winkies, guys. Check out the links, guys. And the links are right over there. Don't forget to go on the Wi-Fi White channel and check out the merch merch. Get the merch. Gear up with the OG merch. I love it. You love it. This is Ric Flair of Crypto in-house saying, woo! God bless you all. See you in the next one. I love it, guys. I'll see you. Wow, this is a great time to be alive. Woo!